So today I'll be making Chinese garlic sauce, and I will be marinating, well, not marinating my chicken, cooking my chicken pieces or boneless chicken breasts. I'm gonna cut it up and pour the sauce over in them, let it be simmering, and I'm gonna serve it with rice, broccoli, and onions. That's the Chinese garlic sauce recipe. I've already started, but I'm gonna start by cutting up my ginger. So I'll mince my ginger. Maybe I should have grabbed another one, but it'll be okay. All right, add 1 cup of chicken stock. We're gonna need 8 tablespoons of lower sodium soy sauce. All right, let's see. Didn't even open it. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're gonna need 4 tablespoons of rice vinegar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're gonna need 2 tablespoons of chili sauce. And 2. We're gonna need 2 teaspoons of this. 1, 2. Lastly, 4 tablespoons of brown sugar. I don't know if it's supposed to be light brown or dark brown. I only have dark brown, so 2, 3, 4.